The ultimate weekend watch face. Now, this one is coming from VO Watch Faces. This guy always does an awesome job on watch faces. This one is very nice. Now, the name of it is called VO Classic. It has a nice analog look. You're going to get a digital time as well down at the bottom. But in the AOD mode, I do like this look because you're going to get the same look and design as you would if the watch face is on. But it's going to be dimmed down in like a black and white theme, which looks nice for a nighttime look. Now, once the watch face is on, the design is nice. I love the dials. I'm loving the detail of the whole watch face overall, especially if you look around the bezel of the watch where it has the numbers. He detailed that one very nice to give it a nice premium look. Now, you are going to get your battery info right over here to the left, which looks nice. You're going to get a moon phase in the middle, and you're going to get two dials also. Now, the dial to the left is going to give you your date. Also, it's going to be surrounded by the days of the week, which I thought was very nice. The detailing is nice as well. And also to the right, that dial is going to give you information on your heart rate and also miles walked or ran. Now you come down, here's where your digital time is. I do like that window. I wish we could color it out, but that's not a deal breaker. I still think it's an awesome look. And down at the bottom, you're going to get the name of this watch face, which is a special V edition. Now you do get shortcuts within the watch face as well. If you go right here, you will be able to go in, tweak your settings however you see fit. Right up here, you're going to be able to go into your app shortcuts, right? Set a favorite that you would like to set. And what I like most about it, if you don't know where anything is, you tap on this menu and it'll give you an idea as to where everything is and where to tap at in order to get to that particular application and or shortcut, right? So let's go back out of this, which now I want to double tap right here, and you can change the color theme of the numbers that's going around the bezel of the watch. And I thought this was pretty nice. So depending on what color theme you got going on with your outfit, you can change it however you see fit. Now, I thought that was nice. Now, if I tap right here, I could change the background theme. So if you want to spice it up a little bit, just tap right here and you can change the theme of the watch face. I'm loving the basic look for the most part, but if you want something different in design for your background, you have it right there. And right here, of course, if I tap, that's going to take me into my S Health, and it's going to give me information, of course, on my step status info. Now, I'm liking that one, right? Because here, if I tap here, I can change the color. Now, this has a gauge that's going around it to let you know how much of your step goal you have completed. I haven't been anywhere yet, so therefore it's not going to show, but you can change the color of it right there as well. Now, if I double tap right here, I can change the battery info, at least the indicator so far as the gauge is concerned, to whatever color I would like. I thought VO Watch Faces did an awesome job on this watch face, but at the end of the day, it is all about you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And with that, make sure you hit the like button on the way out if you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the weekend, have fun, and be safe. And I'll see you again at the next one. Take care.